Hey guys, this is gonna be a review on Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars. This is the room where you start at once you start the game. This is the apartment you're at. You can be at different apartments throughout the whole city. You just gotta buy them. And right here you see this is your computer. Check your email. This is the awards you've earned. Here's that board so you can check all the stuff you've done. Here you click it to save, and then you click the door to go outside and play and do your missions and stuff. Then right here you can see when it's flashing out, that means there's a car in there. That one that you probably parked. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty cool game. You can get out of your car and steal people's cars, shoot people, everything just like the original Grand Theft Auto games. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And you have tons of missions to do, tons of mini missions. So yeah.